Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to work on a complete project that is a supermarket. Okay, so this is a complete project. You can continue all the video and the step. Okay, so first I'm going to change the unit from here, so let's change to the millimeter and then okay. So for area as well I'm going to change to square meter, and for the volume as well I'm going to change to cubic meter. Okay, then finish. So now I'm going to create the elevation. So let's create add one more level in here. Okay, this is the first setup that start the project. So now let's give one element here, 15 centimeter, and this one 60 centimeter. Okay, my unit is in millimeter. You have to remember. Okay, let's arrange this and rename. Okay, I click on the level 4 and let's name the structure. Okay, structure wall, and then yes, so let's again rename this level as well. So it's a foundation. Okay, 50 centimeter foundation and 60 centimeter for a structure wall and in here. So this is the ground floor. Okay, and so the top floor, let's give a value for the height of this supermarket, 4.5 meter. So let's again change this the name as well to the roof. Okay, so this is the roof. Okay, after set up the elevation, let's go to the ground floor, and then I'm going to start creating wall. Okay, so let's edit the wall type. So let's duplicate this, and then I'm going to rename to exterior wall. So first I'm going to create the exterior wall. So from here you can add the texture of the wall and the thickness of the wall. So let's make 21 centimeter totally. Okay, there's now. So again let's change the material, create new material, and then let's right click and rename. So let's rename wall, and then check this box and go to appearance and copy, and now click to library, and now I'm going to find the wall covering. This is for the outside of the wall. Okay, so let's select something like this. Okay, apply and okay. So this was the inside. So now I'm going to select the material for the outside of the wall. Okay, so let's select, duplicate this one and rename exterior on exterior view also you can apply, and then finish. Okay, so let's start from here. Already I know the dimension, that's why I start like this. So I had the cut drawing, but I start drawing like this. If you have a cut drawing, insert the cut drawing and then work with on the Revit, that's easier. So I decided to start like this. Okay, so again let's align this to go to the wall face, and then the weight and the length of the supermarket. Okay, so now you can change the length of the supermarket like this. The length is 15 meter and 46 centimeter, and the weight is 7 meter. Okay, again let's align this one because okay, so I have a wall in here too, the front. So let's draw a wall in here, and then now you can change where is the wall if you click to the wall, or you can use align tools. Okay, so now if you click this wall, and then now from here you can change the position of the wall. Okay, it's 1 meter and 80 centimeter inside there. Okay, this is the plan of my supermarket. Okay, so let's again go to the wall for the partition. Let's edit, and then let's duplicate, and now I'm going to create one new wall in here. Again let's go to edit, and then now I need just one structure, so let's delete this one, and the thickness of the wall for the partition is 11 centimeter, and this is the material. Okay, okay, so again I start drawing the wall from here. One wall is like this, and one wall is in here, and I'll draw one wall in here. Okay, one in here. Okay, so after finish creating the wall, again go to annotation and for the line and place the wall position. Okay, so so this is not the easiest way as well actually, but because I didn't answer the cut file, so if you not have the cut file, this is the way that how to draw the wall. Okay, so if you click this wall, and then from here you can change the position of this wall. So it's 5 meter and 10 centimeter from here. Okay, and this one is 1 meter and 40 centimeter, and the next one, this one is 2.5 meter. Okay, so this let's arrange this side. So it's 2 meter and 60 centimeter, and this one again 150 80. Okay, so now all the wall place it on the correct place. Okay, so now let's go and see in 3D how it look like this. So let's go change to realistic. So now we need to change the direction of the wall because the white color should be inside. So let's, if you click to this, and now from here you can change. Yeah, now that's the outside. Okay, and this correct. Okay, so the wall is like this. Okay, so now I'm going to create a floor for my building. Again, let's go to foundation and then go to floor, and now let's edit the floor, duplicate, and let's rename from here. Maybe floor 2 or something like this, and good for the structure. There's the thickness 15 centimeter, and for the material let's find a material for the floor. Let's find something concrete. Yeah, concrete masonry in it like this. Let's duplicate and rename. Maybe floor 2. You can rename as what you want. Okay, this is a name, and that's okay. Again, I'm going to use the pick line, so or you can use the pick wall, up to you, or you can use the rectangle or line, up to you, which one is. So I is going to try with the pick line. Okay, you have to close around like this. So let's make like this. Okay, and finish. So let's see in 3D. Yeah, this in here. Let's see in if you click to this, and now you can from here from foundation change to the or you can give a number like offset like this. Okay, this is the floor. Okay, and the height of the wall also let's set up, connect to the top roof. Okay, and that's it for this, and let's see in 3D. Nice, the how to create the floor and wall. Okay, so now I'm going to create the structure wall. Select the structure wall, and then let's go to the wall and then select all structure. Okay, so again let's edit the type. First of all, let's duplicate and rename. Let's rename to structure wall, and then edit for the structure and the material. The thickness of this 60 centimeter, and material let's change. Let's create new material and then right click and rename to structure wall, and then check this box, go to appearance, copy, and then go to material and appearance library like this, and concrete, let's find something concrete from here. Maybe this one, and then apply and okay, and okay. Again, wall center line like this, you can choose from here for drawing. The base construction and the top construction to foundation. So you can change the setup after drawing as well, but I changed it the first time. So let's continue and like this, and contain in here. Okay, and one wall of course in here under the door letter. Okay, so let's see in 3D. This is how to create the structure wall for this. Okay, in this part I'm going to insert the door, and let's go to the family, and let's find I'm going to use the US metric. So let's find the door, let's commercial, and let's find the exterior wall something, this, and now let's choose the type. Let's add the width and height. So let's choose the 90 by 220. Okay, 90 centimeter the width and 2 meter and 20 centimeter the height. Okay, let's go to our and now let's put the door and door in here. Okay, one in here for the storage. So let's change the direction to open. Let's should be open inside, and let's move a little too far from the wall, and let's change again this. It should be open to like this. Okay, again let's go to insert again and find a door for the toilet. I'm going to choose this one. Let's choose one like this small one, 75 by 2 meter and 10 centimeter. Let's put the door in here for the toilet, and then of course change the position how to open. It should be open like this. Okay, now one door in here. Again, let's a single door. Let's find something a door, maybe like this. Maybe 90 by 200 meter and 20 centimeter high. Okay, so again, let's go to architecture, door, and then insert in here. Okay, one door in here and one door in here. Okay, so let's change this as well, the direction. It should be open like this. Okay, so now let's see in 3D. Okay, that's our door. So let's delete this one. Let's go to the television in here. I'm going to change this to 4 meter. Okay, so let's go to again ground floor and then go to the wall, and then from here I'm going to create curtain wall. Okay, but this is the outdoor or the door from the supermarket. Okay, that is from glass. Okay, so again let's specify the position of this wall, 1 meter and 80 centimeter. Again click to this, and now the top says to unconnect, and from here I'm going to have 3 meter and 3.5 meter. So I have a small wall at the top of this door. Okay, it's like this, not a wall, like a structure. Okay, let's create a curtain grate, one in the center in here, and let's open the door, one curve in here, and then let's change the position of this 2 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, again let's create curtain wall again in here like this to open the door. Okay, as the door have two okay, let's insert the mullion, and from here change the size of the mullion. So insert in here, and this one as well, and around all the glass we need the mullion. So let's go to the other side as well. Okay, and now I'm going to create a grain line. Okay, like this. So again curtain grate, and let's add one curtain grate in here, maybe the center of this, and one curtain grid maybe in here. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'm going to design like this. Okay, let's see, add the segment in here, and let's find the position maybe in here and one in here. Okay, so now you can change the position of that. Let's change to 0. Okay, that it should be on the top of this frame. Okay, and again add mullion. Okay, again add mullion in this and again. Okay, this is how to add the mullion and create the door like this. Okay, so again let's click one by one and then join the mullion with each other. Okay, so let's again select this one. If you can select, if you bring the cursor beside this mullion and then use the tab key to select your mullion. Okay, so this is how look this the curtain wall like this. So I now I need 50 centimeter wall or something structure like this. So let's go to the wall and select something a wall like this. So this is the same wall that I create for use the exterior wall. Let's start from here and connect in here. Okay, so I get the warning because it's I draw on the curtain wall. So now from here I'm going to change the base offset, that is start from 3 meter and 50 centimeter, and the top is the connect to the roof. Okay, so let's change this like this. So this is not like align it, this the outdoor the glass with the wall. If you want to align that, because I start from the center, you can go to modify and then align and select the wall and align with the curtain wall like this. Okay, outside this align and inside this not, because the curtain wall width is smaller than the wall. Okay, so let's find a door from here. The handle for the window, because I couldn't find this handle in my library, so I downloaded by myself and now I'm going to edit. So if you have the handle in your library, you can directly use that handle. Okay, so now I'm going to load to the project. So let's put one handle in here. From here you can change the offset, where the position maybe 1 meter and 20 centimeter above the ground. Okay, so let's put one in here, and then from here you can rotate this, the handle. Okay, again let's click to make a line. Okay, so let's see in 3D. This is the handle like this. Okay, to open the door and close the door. So let's copy this to the next one. It's like this. Maybe let's bring this a little down, maybe 1 meter. Yeah, it's a better. It's a, as you can see, the same as my before door. So now again let's mirror this for the inside. If someone open from inside, also we need the handle. Yeah, okay, let's mirror. So again I use the arrow key like this, and now I'm going to align, because this is better. Okay, this is how to insert the handle door and create the curtain wall and this part. Okay, so now I'm going to insert some furniture inside and outside of this supermarket. So let's go to insert and load family, and from here I'm going to use US metric, and then furniture. So let's find the table, or first I'm going to put a table on the front. Okay, so I'm going to put one table in here, one in here, and also a table in here. So it's easy, you can insert the table and the chair like this. Okay, and this is the office. So and insert the toilet sink in here. I make it the speed fast for this because it's take long time for adjusting and for insert. Okay, if you want to watch carefully, you can from YouTube you can change the play speed. So this is the trash box. There's a table that the cashier sitting in here. So and now copy paste. The freezer, refrigerator, and to put inside something drink for cooling. And freezer in here. Okay, now I make a partition in here to put some shelf in for the material like this. So I make a small wall first. Okay. So in here I need a bedroom as well for some stuff. If during the shifting time they can sleep in here. Chair in here, this office, and one bedroom, and one store, and one toilet in here. Okay. There's a table and I've set in here for drink or something like this in the bedroom, and maybe a TV in here. So in the office I put a TV or a screen for the CCTV, and you can use this screen for the CCTV that you control from the office and watch from there. Up to you. So the arrange this shelf, up to you how to arrange where you want to put. So I put it like this in here. So everyone arrange this shelf with their own decision like so. Okay. I inserted all this furniture in here, so the shelf and so this line helped me to how to put the partition. Yeah. You can put and arrange by how you want. It's okay. The wall that I created in here is for that like a border between two shelves, that because the shelf was open the back side, so like that. and one bed couch in here for the resting room and office room in here. Okay, and the cashier sitting in here and their computer that you pin here, and this is a table and chair if someone sitting in here drink or smoking, something like that. Okay, this is how to insert the furniture in this supermarket. See you the next part. Thanks for watching. In this part I'm going to create the ceiling and roof. Okay, so let's start by creating the ceiling. Select the ceiling, and from here let's specify the height offset. So let's 3 meter and 80 centimeter, and let's edit the ceiling and duplicate and rename to ceiling. Okay, and let's select the material from here. I don't need this one, I just need one material, one structure. So let's, the thickness is 20 centimeter, and let's specify the material like this. Let's ceiling, and then check this box, appearance, copy, and library. Appearance, library. Okay, so let's find something gypsum board, something like this. Apply and okay. So again, let's sketch the ceiling. I'm going to use a pick line. So let's select this line, this one, and this line, and I need a line in here. Okay, let's trim and extend and finish. So this is in 3D. Okay, this is the ceiling. Okay, so now I'm going to create the wall shape, and then let's lay profile, finish perpendicular, and then let's select this one, maybe base one. Okay, so let's go to architecture and then wall. So let's duplicate this, wall shape. Okay, maybe wall shape 1, and from here you can choose the profile, which the size and the material. From here you can choose the material. I'm going to create new material for the wall shape. can go to the wall sweep. So now let's put one in here. So now let's put everywhere, and then later we can move and align. Okay, it's like for the decoration or something looks good. Up to you if you want to create this sweep around your wall or not, under the ceiling. So from here let's specify the offset like 0. Okay, this is a sweep around the wall and the floor, and also you can for the under the ceiling like something different like this. Maybe it's like a boundary around the wall to looks good inside the building. So especially it looks good under the ceiling. So let's rename to sweep all sweep 2, and also from here let's change the size, and let's specify the material. So it should be the same like white. The wall color may be white, so I'm just going to choose the wall material. Okay, I duplicate it and rename, and now I'm going to use this one. Okay, no need to again change the material. Lion. Okay, okay, so let's again put the sweep around the wall. So now let's align all the shape. I'm going to use align tool. Okay, so because it should be under the ceiling, okay, like this. When you use align tool, first select the ceiling and then select the line of the wall shape. Okay, you can see it's now you can lock the place. Let's go to south elevation. Let's check in here. I think everything is fine. Okay, this is the shape for the on the floor, and this one is under the ceiling. Okay, so it's I don't need in here, so I think I have to delete this one or cut. Okay, maybe I use align tool, align from this inside the door, inside the wall. Okay, if you can find this line, you can use the tab key. Okay, then the selection tool will change. Okay, okay, now it's finished the sweep, and now I'm going to work on the roof. Let's go to the roof floor, again select the roof, then of course first select the type of the roof, which kind on the material, and then change the type of the material from here. And I'm going to rename to a roof, and for structure for the I'm going to insert two layer in here. So the one is the bottom and one the top of the roof. Okay, so let's change the material for this. You can see this totally is 10 centimeter. So let's choose the material for this, create new material and duplicate. Maybe roof 1, appearance, copy to library. Let's go to the roof and find Spanish tile. I like this one, so I'm going to select this one. And for the bottom layer, so it's something material white, like white the wall. So let's duplicate this, roof 2. Okay, and then okay, finish. Okay, this structure is like this. So now you can use these tools. I'm going to use rectangle, and first of all I'm going to offset like 70 centimeter around the wall. Okay, and now I have slope to everywhere, and then so let's make little more, maybe 3 meter. Okay, because this is the front of the supermarket, and remove the slope because the water not come from the supermarket. Okay, so let's see in 3D. It looks like this. Okay, so now attach the wall to the roof. First select the wall, and then click the attach top. Okay, again this wall as well, like that, and this two wall as well. Okay, you can do one by one, or you can select all the wall first and then attach the wall. Okay, this is the roof that the same color, the bottom of the layer. Okay, so now I'm going to create the roof soffit in here. So go to the roof and roof soffit, and then again let's go to date type, duplicate, and let's rename to soffit, and edit the material. Maybe 5 centimeter, and let's see the material. something white color like this. So let's use the pick line. Okay, and now let's finish. Let's go to 3D and the soffit. Now like that. So in here this still it looks good. As you can see, in here we see a gap, so we need to close this. So for this, let's go to model and place something, create something, a wall, or use less guesswork, and you can change the name or not. So let's create an extrusion in here, and now select first work plan, and from here pick plane, and then click to in here, and let's create pick line, and then trim and extend. Okay, the extrusion into this I start from the 0. Okay, and this let's change the material. I'm going to use the same material that I use for soffit. Let's finish and finish model. Okay, so let's see, and different angle. Now it looks like this. So you can adjust now where it should be. Let's move little bit like this, and again I'm going to edit the soffit little bit back. Okay, it's aligned to the wall, yeah, it's not come from. Okay, so now I mirror this for this side. This is how to close this gap as well, and this align it with the wall. Okay, now I'm going to create the roof issue for the roof. Okay, so again let's go to edit type again. After selecting the roof issue, let's duplicate and let's rename from here, maybe just fascia, or change the name roof fascia. Okay, this is from here I'm going to select the profile, or for that maybe flat 1.4 or 1.8, and the material from here, so it should be the same maybe roof, or let's change, can change also. I going to use the same color with the roof, this one, yeah, but not the same material, just the same color, yeah. I'm going to use something material, this color. Let's apply on, okay, and let's insert like this. And you can add all around the roof, yeah, like this. This is how to create the roof fascia, okay. So now I'm going to make a little bit more realistic and maybe change the floor from the first, so because the floor for in here different, for the toilet different. So let's go to edit and maybe use a tile, something like that, and I insert one more structure in here. It should be thickness 20 centimeter, and this one maybe 130, yeah. So let's change the material for that. So let's rename maybe tile, because the first time I just created the floor with the material concrete, okay. So now I'm going to add a tile on above that concrete, okay. So that's why I'm trying to do that, yeah. Now it looks better, okay. So for toilet, of course, we need different tile, or maybe the size of this different like that, okay. So you can change as well this. I'm going to create a floor with a small thickness above the first floor. It should be little up with the first floor, yeah. Maybe floor for the tile, for the toilet. So now I just need one layer, so I don't need the structure, just I need the different tile in here, okay. Tile for toilet. So let's see. Maybe select this one. Thickness is 20 centimeter, 22 centimeter. Let's go to the ground floor and then use the tool to draw one floor in here. Let's select big pine. Like this, and now let's delete this one, and now trim and extend. Okay, let's change the level. It should be the level ground floor and then finish. So let's go to 3D. It looks like this. Okay, it's little bit up to the first floor, so let's create a small wall in here. Maybe change the name wall for toilet, and the thickness, let's 10 centimeter. Not 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay, because my unit is in millimeter. So let's draw from here, around this the wall, and then later I will align this. Okay, let's go to modify, align tools, align every side of the wall like this. Okay, so now from here you can align in here as well. Let's see in 3D. Let's look like this. Okay, for toilet we need ceramic around the wall as well. Okay, this is how to create the ceiling, roof, soffit, and roof fascia in Revit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. In this part I'm going to work a site and billboard and how to create the model text. So now I'm going to first create the site. Okay, let's place pine, maybe one pine in here and one in here and one in here. Okay, so let's finish. From here let's select the material for that. Let's create new material and then let's rename this. Maybe grass. Okay, so I can check this box appearance and then copy, go to library from here and find the material that you want to use. So let's something like grass like this, apply, and okay. So let's see in 3D. It's like this. Okay, this is a grass. Okay, So let's see which level is this. Oh yes, yes, you can use arrow key to okay. Now I'm going to create a road in here or a street in here. Okay, so let's first create a line like this in here. So I'm going to first create some line and then okay, after finish that, so let's go to the material. I'm going to create the material for the road. So let's rename this to road. Let's go to side work and find this part from here. Let's try this one. Apply and okay. So let's see in 3D. It's like this. So it's like it's on the highway, something like that, the supermarket, or maybe on the small town, something like that. So in here I'm going to create a parking sign in here. So each car should parking in here. It's like this. Now let's copy this. And now select 3 of them and mirror for the another side. Okay, like this. Yeah, 6 car can park in here. If someone come and buy something, can park their car in here. So let's put some tree around in here. Imagine that the supermarket is the corner of that small town. Like this. So this the sign that the car should be parked like this. Go to like this. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah. Okay. Again, and now I'm going to create the road sign, that small sign with the white color like this. So maybe like this, with the small sign. I move it to the center of this road, and now I'm going to copy. Let's divide the road to two parts like this, and then from here you can change the material. Nice, something a material that with the white color. Okay, this is like this. Okay, so now again I'm going to insert a type of a car in here, so it looks like more natural. And again let's put one car in here. So imagine someone parking his car in here. Okay, maybe two car parking in here, maybe one car is in here on the road. So you can change the direction like this. Let's see in 3D. Yeah, all of them looks with the same color, so you can change the color of the car. So let's go to the edit type and change the color of the car. Yeah, not all of them should be the same color. Okay, this is the material that includes metal, paint finish, blue, skies, something like that. Okay, so let's rename like track and maybe something a red color like that. Yeah, so maybe change. I'm going to change this to white. Okay, something like this. There's the car that you can move and put little bit in here. Okay, maybe let's copy one car and copy put in here. These colors maybe is belong to customer or the staff, something like that. Okay, so this the decoration, something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to create the billboard in here. The name of the maybe have the supermarket have a name. So create to a component, model in place, and let's create something a wall in here. And okay, so I'm going to use extrusion, and then specify the work plan, this, pick a plan, and then select the wall. So if you bring the mouse in here, you can find the wall, and then you use the tab key. Okay, so now let's use a line. Going to align like this. It's up to you. You want to make a big billboard or a small. So extrusion in and start from 0, maybe 10 centimeter. Also from here I'm going to change the material of this billboard. So let's make something white. The material should be something white, and then finish. Still you can adjust the size. Okay, so finish. Let's click to finish model. Let's see from different angle. Okay, it looks like this. So now I'm going to again add in like a frame, something like that. Again the same method, model in place and wall, and then use again extrusion, set the work plan, so first let's use big pine like this. Let's try and extend this one. First let's offset. Maybe this frame from here, maybe it should be maybe 5 centimeters here. Yeah. This should be outside. And now diamond extend. Okay, a frame something like this. Okay, but from here let's change the extrusion as well to looks different with the first one. Okay, the first one was 10 centimeter and the second one is 15 centimeter. Okay, and this is the material. You can choose the same material or something different to looks little bit better. So that's why I choose something material with the red color, maybe this one. Apply on OK. Let's finish button. So let's go to the different angle. See, this is how to create a frame for this billboard. Okay, and now I'm going to write the name of this supermarket. Okay, so I'm going to write something, give a name, something like this, like Alphamart, because around me in here there is many supermarket with the name of Alphamart. Okay, so the work plan and model text, and write the name of the supermarket, like I write with two parts because it has the different color here. So let's put this in here and then rotate. And you can move like this. And from here you can change the material, and let's first go to edit, the text size. I'm going to change to 400, something like this. Okay, again model text, the mart. Okay, so now let's change from here the depth of this, maybe 50, and this one as well, maybe 50 and 5 centimeters. Okay, so again let's change the material for this. If you type the name of the material in here, it will automatically will change the material, the name of the material. Okay, so this one, this part of the text is blue, something like this. Okay, this is how to create a billboard. And okay, this is the name of the market, Alphamart. So in this part I'm going to show you how to paint in the wall and also how to insert the picture on the wall, I mean decal. Okay, so let's go to this angle. So I'm going to paint this wall in here. So let's first sublet the wall. So if you not sublet, it will paint all the whole wall. Okay, so I show you if not sublet first, all the wall will paint in like this. Okay, so that's why I'm going to sublet the wall and then paint it with different color. Okay, so go to the sublet and then click this face of the wall, and now from here I'm going to use the line. So let's start from here and maybe in here until the ceiling, and then in here, and then let's go down and let's finish. Okay, again this part as well, continue the same method. Okay, and this part as well, because these two rooms have two different color. Each side you have to separate from the other. Okay, so now it's ready to paint. So I'm going to start from this bedroom, like restroom. Go to, so there in here different colors, so also from here you can find different. Let's select this blue one, maybe this color for the restroom or living room. Okay, and here for the office maybe yellow. I'm going to just show you how to paint, so it's up to you which color you want to choose. Okay, so that's why I select different colors to see. Oops, in here I forget to sublet this part, so if you not sublet, all the wall will painting like that. Okay, so again let's go to sublet, select this wall, and from here draw a line from here, it should be sublet. Okay, if you zoom in you can find. Okay, now finish. Again go to the paint and then paint and find your color that you want to paint the wall. Okay, this is how to paint the wall in Revit. Okay, the red color and the yellow one. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to decal or insert the picture in here for decoration. It looks little realistic. Okay, so again go to the insert and then decal, choose there is some picture in here, and also you can insert your own picture if you want to. Let's if you have picture in your PC you can upload by your. Okay, now I uploaded my own picture from here, so this is the picture that I want to insert. Maybe this one, and then click to OK, and then place decal. Okay, so let's put in here, and then if you click to this picture, you can use arrow key to replace the picture on the wall. Okay, maybe a little bit down or up or to center, up to you. So again, I'm going to put one picture in here. So again, go to decal and then place decal. Okay, because now you already uploaded your picture. From here you can change the picture, maybe one picture in here. Okay, and then select the picture and then adjust where you want to replace the picture. Okay, where you want to put. This is how to decal or insert the picture on Revit. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make this more realistic. Let's delete this, and then the first time I'm going to create a frame in here and then put the picture on my frame. Okay, so let's create something, a model in place in here, and let's like a wall, and then wall 5, and let's create extrusion in here, and let's select the work plan, pick plan, and then choose this wall. Okay, the work plan should be in this one. Okay, and then let's go to the front elevation. If I draw in here now, it means you draw on the wall that you pick the work plan. Okay, now I'm going to create an extrusion in here, like a frame. So the extrusion into maybe 2 centimeters. Yeah. From here you can change the color if you want to. Let's say now yellow color, the material. So let's change to red color. Already I created this material, the red color. If I type the name, automatically this will change the material. Okay, you have to already have the material with the red color like that. Okay, now this is how to create this frame like this. So let's maybe use the section box to cut the place that I like it disturb me to can work very well. Let's cut until here. Okay, now this is the frame. So now I'm going to put my picture in here. Again, go to insert and then decal, and then plus decal. Okay, and then let's put the picture in here. So let's move on the frame, and you can resize as well the picture, the same the frame. Okay, or you can resize the frame, up to you. Okay, you want to resize the picture or the frame. Okay, this is how to create the frame and put the picture on the frame, okay, to make little realistic. So as you can see now, it's just on the wall. So if you want to make it more realistic, like with you have to put this with a small angle. So click to the select the frame, okay. Let's select the frame, and now I'm going to give a little bit angle, okay, and then let's go to the edit. Let's this circle vision, and now again select this and go to the rotate, maybe 20 degree. So let's see in 3D. Yeah, I gave angle at 20 degree. So now it's look like inside the wall. Now I'm going to little bit bring front, so select this and then use the cursor to move little bit front, okay, from the wall. Okay, so now let's see with a different angle. Yeah, this is how to make the frame with a small angle, okay, and how to insert the picture on the wall. This is the end of the complete tutorial that I created at supermarket. Thanks for watching. See you the next complete tutorial.